And the mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, is warning vendors in the Crossroads market about improper practices in light of public health concerns and a recent cleanup activity to address the situation. Courteney Lewis also has that story.
Vendors and patrons will now have a more comfortable experience at the Crossroads Market in Kingston. This comes after Sunday's sanitation efforts to rid the market of waste and food scraps due to poor garbage disposal. During his visit this past weekend, Mayor Andrew Swaby remarked the market was in long need of attention.
I'm asking for patience, both from our vendors and from the patrons and from the city at the because we have constraints when it comes to our resources, and we have to try to find creative ways of how we can do it. I have inherited a budget. It was not my budget in terms of crafting that budget, and the focus was on some of these stuff. So we have to find a way how we do these issues.
He said the restrooms were in poor condition and were not available for use, but he shared his plans to rehabilitate the facilities, which he hopes will be completed within 2 weeks.
The vendors, they have to bag their garbage, and we can lock it off, where we also will be taking up the garbage. Currently it's taken twice a week. I've said to the technical team that is woefully inadequate. So we're going to work on that. We are also going to pave the car park to make sure that our customers can see a more friendlier market, a market that has some standard that is good practice of public health standards and making sure that they feel safe.
In all this, he sent an apt warning to meat vendors to keep the market in good condition to prevent the closure of the market, which serves as the livelihood for many in the area.
We need to speak back to these meat persons because I am so disappointed that when I get here this morning that I could have seen meat just thrown up on the air. It's certainly not a good way of practicing public health standard. And I'll be having a meeting. They cannot comply, you will have to ask them to leave. We are going to be very clear, and we have to be firm. You have to abide by the rules, the public health rules.
Courteney Lewis for CVM News.